Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Starbucks style pumpkin spiced latte as well as Starbucks style pumpkin spiced hot chocolate. I got it. That's a real tongue twister. Trust me. Okay, we are going to show you 2 recipes in one video. So 2 for 1 today for you guys. And let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, so I've got some boiling milk over here. So we've put in 2 cups of boiling milk. So over here I have 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. So I am going to put that inside. Okay. Now I'm going to give this a good mix. So just make sure that it really mixes well into the boiling milk, and the milk will eventually start turning a little bit, or give like a bright yellowy orangey type color. I'm going to add in a pinch of ginger powder. Really gives it a nice zip to the taste. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, one of my favorites. This is allspice. This has all the spices you can possibly think of that at least that are very popular. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a pinch of this into the milk. I'm going to give it a good mix. Just make sure that all of it mixes very nicely into the milk, like the pumpkin puree has. Now this is a iconic Starbucks recipe, which we absolutely adore and love. So it's going to give you that that aroma pretty soon once you get to this stage. And I can already, start smelling it. Absolutely wonderful. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of that goes inside. So I'm going to let this simmer now for the next 2 minutes, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so this is pure cane sugar that we are going to use, and we don't always use sugar because I think a couple of years ago I followed my sister in that we do not have sugar in our tea and coffee anymore. I do sometimes, like if I've gone to, obviously if you go to like Costa or Starbucks or one of these coffee chains, then obviously I would have it. But right now I was feeling like actually putting it in. So I've got pure cane sugar here. If you've got maybe white sugar, you can also put that in if that's your preference or if that's what's available to you. So I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of that inside. And one of the reasons why we're going to be placing in the sugar is because we want to replicate the Starbucks version. So we want to make it as close to their taste and their appearance as possible. So that's all that. So that's 2 tablespoons of pure cane sugar going inside. As an alternative, you can also add in maple syrup. We don't have it available right now, but that may have been something we would have used instead of pure cane sugar had that been available. But if it's available to you, you can try that out. If you've got honey, you can also try that out as well. Okay, so I've made some coffee over here, which I'm going to pour into one of these glasses here. So I'm going to add in about half of it. I'm going to get the milk that has been boiling, where we added all the spices into, and pour that in. So if you've got a milk frother, you can froth up the milk, which we showed in one of our videos. We maybe even put an iCard on top of this video for you to see. But let's just add the milk in. That's it. I'm going to add in 2 heaped teaspoons of cacao powder into the milk, and then going to give it a good mix. Okay, so let's mix in. So quick, good mix over here. So here, I'm going to pour it into the glass. Okay, so you saw how to make this pumpkin spiced latte, as well as this pumpkin spiced hot chocolate. So I'm gonna give it a taste. So here I have the pumpkin spice latte. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. That's superb. It's creamy from the top. I can really feel the pumpkin that we grinded, the puree of pumpkin that we grinded at the beginning of this recipe. You can taste that. You can taste the spiciness from all the spices that we added into it, the milkiness, the frothiness. Wonderful, wonderful beverage. It's definitely equivalent of what you can get from a Starbucks, but you can make this from your own home. Now, I want to quickly taste this pumpkin spiced hot chocolate. So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wow! MashaAllah, that is amazing. It's so chocolatey. It's an absolute difference. If I had to choose a pick, I would go for the chocolatey version because I'm just a chocolatey person. If there's that milkshake, if there's a chance to choose between vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, banana, I'll always go for a chocolate first. So, same thing with beverages. I'm more into hot chocolate. So, the taste of it is wonderful. It's so chocolatey. Oh, I don't know how to describe it because we put our favorite cacao powder in it. Wonderful. It's just got that dark chocolate element to it, but it also has the sweetness element to it because we added some sugar into it as well. So it's really about choosing. But if there's 7 days, if I'm having this, if I have to have both of these, I've got both choices within 7 days of a week, I would probably go for the chocolate one maybe 4 or 5 times, and the other one 2 to 3 times, because both of them you can definitely have that, fit that within the calendar of your week. So with that said, do hit the like button. Please hit the like button. If you're on your phone, please tap the like button. If you're on your computer or your laptop, please tap the like button. If you're on your tablet, your iPad, please tap the like button. It means, we can't even describe what it means to us. It's for free, it's absolutely for free. We come out with free content, so please hit the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you hit the subscribe button, next to the subscribe button, there's like a bell icon. So also hit the bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. And comment below whether you are going to try out this beverage or whether you have any requests in terms of beverages, and share this content to some of your family, some of your friends, maybe to someone that could do with this recipe, maybe someone that's, I've got some friends who always love going to Starbucks and they can't dream being without Starbucks, so you know, maybe they can make that from home. So do share it with them. And with that said, catch you in the next one.